So right at the top of my trailer, there's this stuff called J-rail. I think I've got a little leak back here. So I'm taking this one small piece. It starts about here. Taking this piece off. I took all the bolts out and I'm going to take it off. Now the key to taking off J-rail is that underneath it, it's got this butyl tape. Keeps it on, gets real dried out and stops working so well. But the key to taking off J-rail is being really, really delicate with it because just want to be real gentle with it. See how that just came up? Because it bends super easily. That's how they get it into all these shapes. So when you're taking it off, just baby it. You see how this butyl tape is completely crumbling. I've actually put some paper down to catch the pieces because I don't want it to go all over the gravel. But this, when it's crumbling like that, it should be kind of gummy. It is a little bit, but when it's crumbling like that, that means that the seal isn't as good and it might leak. So that's why I'm going to take it off now.